Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Go, Chris! Go, baby! Yes, he's got it, yes.
Florida, South Florida Blades, and Southern Street.
Go, Chris! Go, baby! Go!
When they come across the line, we got 1 lap to go. 4 skaters qualifying.
Get in there, get in there. Oh, that's okay, that's okay. That's alright, that's alright.
Officially qualifying on Team Florida, South Florida Blades, GTC,
Good job!
and Southern Speed.